Oh, you shouldn't break the 10th commandment anyways. You're using the Lord's name.
No, you're not using the Lord's name in vain. If I say on God, I'm not saying like...
Yeah, because if you lose the competition, it's in vain.
Yeah, but that's why you don't say the stuff that can't like automatically happen.
Just Biblical Prophecies 101. Fixing it out there.
Biblical Prophecies 101. Coming from Pastor Sam Smith.
Yeah.
Let's get it together.
Sam
Tight
Titus
ass.
Smith.
Yep,
Tight
tight
ass. Tight ass.
Tight ass.
Samuel
Reverend
Tight
tight ass too.
ass. Reverend.
Reverend Titus.
Pastor Tight ass.
There's a little TT by my name.